Hey everyone, this is Vittorio and this is our weekly recap. From now until April 12th, you can enjoy 10% off and free shipping on Eibach.com. If you don't want to miss out on any deals, notifications, or free shipping, be sure to join our winner circle. For this week's R&D, we started with the 2024 Toyota Sequoia. For this vehicle, we focused on releasing our Stage 2 and Stage 2R kit. The initial test runs for the 24 Sequoia went great. We were able to get 2.7 inches of lift up front and 1.2 inches in the rear. Up next for R&D, we brought in a 2023 GMC Canyon Elevation 4-wheel drive model. For this vehicle, we focused on our Stage 2 and Stage 2R kit. Testing went well for this vehicle. In fact, we only needed one revision and now we're good to go to production. This kit will ship at about 1.4 inches of lip to be level with the factory rear. For those with a modified vehicle like this one, you still have more adjustment up front and an optional rear lip lock available to get the ride height you're looking for. If you're looking for some Eibach gear, we just released our 2024 lineup and it's all available on our website. Check it out now as it's also included in our annual spring sale. If you're looking for more information on all things Eibach, be sure to visit Eibach.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.